Hey guys, Tony here. So this is potentially, probably one of the most, it's unfortunate for one person, but it might be, the best news case for, every single person that's holding SHIBA right now. The fact that this wallet holds about 20% of the supply of SHIBA INU, and they haven't cashed any of it out. They've been holding for 400 days. So for a little bit over a year. And the fact that this person has not cashed out and they turned $8,000 into roughly $6 billion and they haven't cashed out, this is one of two things, right? Either they completely forgot about this wallet and they have no idea where their wallet is, how much it has, what their key phrase is, and they completely lost it, or they have complete diamond fucking balls of steel and they didn't sell their SHIBA INU when it hit $1 million, 10 million, 100 million, $1 billion. They've been sitting on this wallet and they've accumulated $6 billion worth of SHIBA INU and they can sell it, right? 20% of the total supply of SHIBA INU lives in this wallet. And if this wallet is completely lost, if this person completely forgot their key phrases, whoever this person is, then the crazy part is that this supply is completely lost, and we can basically have it be burned. So that's essentially what can happen. We can basically think of this 20% completely burned, and we now only have 80% of the supply in SHIBA INU. That's it. That's the best case scenario. Worst case scenario is this person is just holding like crazy, and maybe one day they'll dump, completely crashing the SHIBA INU coin. But as of right now, if this person or whoever holds this wallet, if they forgot their key phrase and they cannot access their wallet, they cannot access their coins, their crypto, immediately 20% of the supply from SHIBA INU is absolutely gone. This is insane. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.